Hey everyone! In this video, I will show you how to connect Printify to TikTok Shop. But before we start, make sure to follow the video till the end and subscribe to the channel. First, make sure you have accounts on both Printify and TikTok Shop. Next, log in to Printify and you will see the dashboard. To connect Printify to TikTok Shop, create a new store by clicking My New Store in the top left corner. Then again, click on My New Store. Here, choose TikTok as the sales channel. You will need to be a US resident for this. You can choose to create a new store or continue using an existing Printify store. Name your store and click Connect. Make sure you have a TikTok seller account set up. Tick the box saying you have a TikTok shop account. Also, ensure you've selected the seller's shipping option on TikTok Shop. Then click Connect. After that, you will need to authorize your account. Choose North American Seller and verify your ID if you haven't already. Enter your shop's information honestly. Then click on the Authorize button. Once done, Printify and TikTok Shop will be connected. That's how you can connect Printify to TikTok Shop. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.